Obviously, every machine is a little different, so always check your sewing machine manual for the best guidance. Turn off or unplug your machine to avoid any injury. Turn the hand wheel towards you to raise the needle to its highest position. Pull the extension table outwards to remove and set aside carefully. Open the shuttle cover to access the bobbin area. Using your fingers, pull and hold the latch on the bobbin case, then gently pull it out. Insert the filled bobbin into the bobbin case, making sure that the thread unwinds in the correct direction. In this case, the thread unwinds away from me. An easy way to remember this is to think of this section like an arrow. It goes from wider to narrower, pointing in the direction the thread should travel. Guide the thread through the slit in the bobbin case, under the tension spring, and into the delivery eye, which is this small opening here. Leave roughly a 10 cm long thread tail. To insert the bobbin case, pull and hold the latch using your fingers. This helps secure the bobbin in place. Align the horn of the bobbin case with the horn in the shuttle race unit, then gently insert it. Release the latch to lock the bobbin case into the shuttle race unit. Close the shuttle cover securely. Attach the extension table back onto the machine. If the bobbin is inserted the wrong way, it may cause skip stitches while sewing. For more sewing Bexpertise, I've linked helpful videos in the description below. Please don't forget to subscribe, and as always, happy sewing!